Hello everyone, in our today's problem we have to find value of variable after performing operations. So you will be given a string of strings. All you have to find the final value of x. Okay, so there will be four strings plus x and plus x plus plus is in increment. So which will increase the value of x by 1, and minus x and x minus minus will decrease the value by 1. That's it. So there will be only four strings. If you have a look at the constraints, the length will be maximum 100, and operation I will be either plus x, x plus plus, minus x, or x minus minus. So that's an easy level problem, and we all can solve this problem, right? Right. All you have to do, you have to run a for loop. You have to run a for loop for each string, and we can say if string is equal to minus x, or string is equal to x minus minus, then value will be minus. Okay, else value will be plus, and at the end we can return the value. Okay, so it's pretty much simple. All we have to do, we have to take a integer value. Integer, for example, is a response. The initial value will be 0. If you have a look, the problem says initially the value of x is 0. So value of x is 0, return response. Then I'll be run a for loop for string or operations. I'll be saying if op is equal to minus x, or op is equal to x minus, then to response minus, otherwise is response plus, increase the value of response. That's it. If I run my code, it will be accepted. That's it, guys. But now you can solve this problem uh, in a different way. A different way means it's pretty much simple, pretty much same way. If you think that's where our thinking level will improve. Like, okay, I've solved this problem, it's accepted, and if I submit my code, it will run 100%, no really, everything okay. But if you think differently, like, is there any other way I can solve this problem? Yeah, there are so many ways. One of the way is, like, here I'm comparing, right? Is it minus x or x minus minus? So if the constant is too much big, and for example, if all of them are x minus minus, all of them are x minus minus, so what's this one is doing? It's first checking, is it minus x? When it will be no, then it will go there, right? So each and every time we are checking twice for x minus minus, right? Now, here what we can do, if we have a look for minus x and for x minus minus, or plus x or x plus plus, if we have a look on our first index, zero, this is zero index, first index, and second index. On our first index, if it is minus, the first index will be always minus, right? If it is plus, first index will be always plus. So what we can say here, instead of this line, what we can say here, if op of my first index is equal to minus, then do response plus, response minus means decrease the value of response by 1, and it's accepted again. If I submit my code, it will be accepted. So here we are not checking twice, right? For minus, we are checking only one times. That's it, guys. Thank you so much.